Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan Mujtaba again. New Year, Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you have made good banks in 2023. Let's start 2024 with first video of 2024. It will be a bit detailed. We will see a Bitcoin on higher time frame than lower time frame ideas. Let's see first where our year ends. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 21 Binance chart. That's why there is no much data because Binance came in January 2019. So yes, this is the 5 year data of Bitcoin. We had just watch it like it's M1 chart, like 1 minute chart. So we had impulse move, rejected heavily, then sell off, then again someone bought it and up. So Ponzi coin, if we see in 3 months making higher highs, good higher highs, whole zone is up. Ponzi zone here slowly come back to monthly. You will see that price is getting clear picture here. You have sweep of highs here. Then you have structure break here. Act this chart like H1 chart. Don't look it at like 15 or what we say it. Okay. Then we had this whole big fucking order block. If I look at into lower time frame length, then I will do it like this, a supply zone. But this is my order block here, bearish order block. So how will I trade this? I will mark at least one entry in mid and one entry here, one entry mid, one entry above. So I will take one entry in it in the middle of that zone. So where is Genbox? Genbox is here. Let me mark the mid of this zone. Okay, this is my mid of this zone. So I will remove this extra stuff here. So higher time frame says that you if you want to short it from here. Stops above here. Target this low. Oh, nice 2.8 RR trade of 71%. Okay. So then we shift on weekly. If we saw weekly, these levels are quite possible. 55K, 50K are possible. If price came from 16K to 45K, so 10K, it goes up 10K more like from here. It's not a big deal. So if it goes up there, don't fuck yourself here. It can easily in one candle you can see that Bitcoin is at 10K, 50, what we say at 55K. So go with the flow. How market is acting like here, just adopt things quickly. Don't waste your time by looking at other charts. If something is forming on chart, believe in it and execute things accordingly. If you lose, but if you win, you will win big. So yes, always aim for big wins. So yeah, our interesting zones are here for 2024. This is my first zone of interest here. That's my simply draw a range on higher time frame. I will mark this zone. This is my interested zone. So another zone, if I marked, this is also an SR zone here. So I will not act it. Either give me this dip here, then go up, or flip here, go up. Okay, simple is that. Now if I checked here, where should my structure will be invalidated, I will mark only those levels so that in my back of my hand I know that if price closes below on weekly time frame, here the structure will be shifted. Okay, lower lows were forming here. We had our structure break, price tapped in this fair value gap, new higher high created, again new higher high created. So it's kind of higher high, higher low, again higher high. Now this whole zone is our higher low zone. Okay, let me remove this shit. This is my higher low zone. So this point is my MSB point on higher time frame. Above this point, I am bullish. These are dips for buying. Like we have a good FEG here. We had beautiful SR range low zone, SR zone, whatever zone you called it. That is accumulation zone here. I have now invalidation that if weekly closes below here in this zone, everything is fucked up. We will retest this. Either it will be a deviation, some kind of deviation here we saw in near future into it and then go up, or it will came down here, retest and bank, go towards the zone. So this is what it is. This is how we will trade in 2023. So what I'm expecting from Bitcoin, a flash move above towards the zone 50 to 55k, and then in April, end of first quarter, mm, after halving or just before halving, plunge to these levels and then consolidation like this, slow bleed, slowly market, slow down of market, and end of the year in November, October, November, last quarter in when US elections are going to happen, I am expecting it to go like this. No retrace, straight go up. So whole year plan is to look and accumulate it like till halving. You have to be aggressive on Bitcoin, and after halving, you will secure your capital because I am expecting it to this kind of job. I'm expecting. Look at these candles. I'm expecting after halving, I'm expecting a chop, slow down of the market of entirely one, maybe 1 quarter, maybe 2, 3 months. No, who knows? Okay. So after that chop will be a good time for accumulation of your favorite coins. You have to accumulate. If you want to accumulate Bitcoin, yes, you can. And then you will wait for 2024, 25 to begin and to enjoy your gains. This is what I am planning. So in 2024, this is my 55% range, which I have this one to play in with. If it closes above, I will then play in this range, this one. If it is not closing, it is getting rejecting here, I will wait here, shorting till from here till here, and then will go up from this zone. Now, coming to daily, if you saw higher highs are creating simple higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Uh, everyone, most of the people I know and I see, they are waiting for these demands to tap for dip, to buy a dip. So I might be wrong here. I don't know. They are looking like accumulate here and then go up toward these levels. But my theory says that if we market maker, if I think like a market maker here, this shit will fill these imbalances and it will tap in these levels. Then it will go up like 30, 32k zone. Then it will move like this. So a better range. Other than that, let's see how many market manipulates or behaves. But this is first interest zone here for me. This demand here on daily, yes, it if it came down towards these levels, I will act on it. For now, what is happening in front of us, we will focus on that. Okay. Here is two ranges are forming here. Range high swept, range low tagged. Now liquidity is generating on both sides. Liquidity is generating both sides. This liquidity here, upside liquidity is generating here. So two on both side liquidity is pending. Take out one side liquidity and then go up towards other side liquidity. Now how I'm expecting a rejection in this zone, as I marked on higher time frame that I'm expecting. So there will be a good kind of PU3 here, fake out here. That will be a good trade, by the way. If price fake out here, it took all the liquidity above, and then price accepted below this range again, we are going towards at least these levels. Might be we break down to these levels. Who knows? Who knows? Who fucking knows? Or this zone to be tapped first. So it is near to supply, so I will expect this PU3 to play out. Accumulation is going up here, manipulate here, then distribute. It in other case it can be like this as well. You have to be very vigilant of this plan. Accumulation, manipulate here, a reclaim range, and then go up. That is very good for the market. Whole market will pumped up. But it is near to supply, so I will be very cautious here in this zone. So yes, this is my plan. Now removing all extra stuff, and I hope you understand this idea, and I will go to the next range which is forming in mid of the range. So first range we have this one, a big range. Simple how to trade this range. At range highs you have to short, at range lows you have to buy or long, whatever you want to do it, and you will target other side. Now if I see that here is our another range high is this one. I will remove this one. So this is internal range. Price is acting here. We created a beautiful, what we say, uh, deviation, then back, retested, tap, mid-range, again retested, tap, mid-range. So it is fucking in between here right now. So yes, structure-wise, internally, I looked very closely on Bitcoin in this zone. So it is just below a supply zone here. This is our order block here, bearish order block. So it is testing this order block. And the order block which forms after this kind of move are very effective. So it might trigger this zone and we can go towards these levels. So if price move towards these levels, which zone we should look after and where to long? Let me show you that thing now. Mm, if I mark a meme line here, from here, mm, okay, this one, this will be good. Yes. So this meme line is acting as a support here. That there is a small order block. This is very interesting zone. This one. So if price is holding, if it is rejecting here and holding here, we can take a long, but that is also risky until these range lows are not tested. So I will avoid this idea, but this is an idea here, possibility. We can do that thing here. Lower time frame. So where is range POC? I think it's above. It's still up here. So selling pressure. If you observe from this level, we have an impulsive move, then slow down, dump. When slow down, go up, straight dump. Go up, come. So selling pressure is here. PUC is above the here. So if we tested range high again, it will reject. It will reject again. So I will prefer in this zone shorts rather than longs, and I will wait for the range lows for longs. Simple plan it is. So hopefully till now what I have said about Bitcoin, everyone understands, and my view on Bitcoin is understand. Now we'll go on few altcoin. The first one is our Ethereum. Beautiful Ethereum. It did massive rally here. Beautiful. If I show you on daily a structure broke here, we had a beautiful order block created. So if I see on H4 here, a small order block created back down here at mid-range. This is our beautiful range creation, deviation, retested. Now this is, I'm expecting this demand to tap. This is because of structure break here, then BOS. So this is our higher low zone. It should be held at any cost by bulls. So yes, I'm expecting Ethereum to hold there. I have a bids here, stop just below here, below this demand, and another confluence which is matching with my idea is this range POC. So it might came down to test here and then a quick bounce. I will get out on bounce and then I will replace, because this will be on first bounce. I don't know how far it can go, but it will test again this range PUC to take each and every order, and then I'm expecting it to go up again. A small bounce might be, but this is my first level of interest for intraday scalp. Then if price came back to these levels again, these, so we'll decide here. Until then, first trade which I'm looking at it is Ethereum, and I have shared this plan. INJ, what is INJ doing? Let me see. This is nothing very much here, by the way. Higher high created, higher high created. This was higher low zone, should have held it. New high didn't created, high swept. Structure break here. New lower low created. So this whole zone is acting as supply right now. Let me check PUC. It is also forming here. So removing everything and marking it quite beautifully now. This is our breaker block. We rejected twice. I think previous Monday low is also here because I shorted this shit somewhere here from previous week low. And what will be we target? This indecisive candle, or what we say, a demand formed here. So it didn't have. So hopefully ING came down to these levels. Interesting chart. And if I mark a daily demand here, this whole zone is our daily demand. So if it came down towards these levels, that will be interesting for long zone. For short, I will avoid shorting TRB. It is strong coin. Right now it is strong coin. So yes, a small breaker block is acting here. So until unless these demands didn't tap, wait for it, these will be tapped. Once it flipped these zones, when we can target these highs. Other than that, we will wait to these demands. So ING done. XRP. What the fuck I did? Same shit PA. How you justify this PA? What should I analyze in it? Nothing. But a good PU3 might be happen here. Who knows? And then go like this. This is a good possibility. But this is shit. LTC. I think I have taken this trade. I don't remember what I did with LTC and why. Internal structure, demand created demand. So it is also making higher highs and not that much interested chart. DYDX, same place. It broke out here last time on last update. I marked this demand that we can target these levels, and this is done and dusted here, and it is still at range lows. So I don't know when will it break this zone. This zone, when will it break? Either go towards downside or break above. But until unless it is holding this range low, you can long range low and target above levels on DYDX. It will give you a good upper scalping opportunity. Okay, the interesting chart, another one is OP. So if you saw EOP in low swept, then we have BOS, beautiful BOS. This is H8 demand here, which is tagged, but we work on H4. So a small chotu demand created here on OP here. We have where is our AOPUC? Okay, it is also below here. So I'm expecting OP to come down to these levels to test. So if price start moving towards downside, I will place bids here. Stops will be here. And on quick bounce, I will get out and then I will wait for bullish structure, something like this. And then I will play proper setup. I will target this. So this is interesting chart OP. Keep this chart in with yourself. Another is Hui. Hui. I think I have provided this trade somewhere and it entry didn't fill and targeted. Fuck it. Same H4 demand. Every coin is forming H4 demands. Solana. Hmm. Yes, in last video I explained this Solana setup and it is working good till now. Let's see if we sweep a small sweep of lows here. That will be very good. Very good. If sweep and reclaim, that will be a good long. Stops are clear here and target highs, straight away highs. Solana. I have explained this Solana in last video. You can check it out. BCH यानी कि Bitcoin Cash. Not interested. CIZ. Not interested. Cyber. Unfi. Loom. TRB. TRB is good. Coin. What is this, yeah? What happened to TRB? Guys, what is this? I left TRB here, somewhere here last night. What happened to TRB? The fuck? 66%. That is totally. Look at this fucking wick. All the. Welcome to Ponzi market of crypto. Fucking market. Okay. So those who long there, just imagine those who long there. Where it? Okay, here. How they will recover this shit? How they will recover from it? Why TRB pumped? Because 70% of supply TRB supply was of with some big whales. Binance was also here. 40, the Binance also invested $40 million in TRB. When you were shorting it, they were investing here at 2, 3, $10. So 70% of supply of some coin is with few big whales, and you are longing the top here. I also longed here, but I had a stop. I took stop. I again relonged last night with Discord. We were gambling. I took 2 hours and I just deleted the chart of TRB from my mobile. So 70% supply. If some big whale sold, if 25% of supply, this will happen. This will cause. This is 25% of supply is a big number. So if anyone is interested in longing or shorting this type of coin, keep eye on chain data and read out about that coin, what's going behind that coin. Right now, this is a weekly demand here. So if it came here, I will be interested. Other than that, no interest. Pant, big time. Okay, big time. Big time. Coin name is big time and it is doing like a shit time. What kind of movement he is doing? Okay, it is right now in H4 demand. Let's see if it reclaim and make MSB here. It will give a good chance of long here. Then we can long. Till then, no long. GRT. Okay, I have another coin. Where is that coin? I have marked a coin here. I remember the name. AXUSDT. It was showing some strength. Yes. A minute. I got out on stop somewhere here on break even. I am. Let me show you what I'm looking at it. This is interesting chart here. This is the range formation here. Okay. So liquidity and okay. If we saw this range low swap, but didn't give somewhere here previous Monday low is also here. So keep that thing in mind. So if it goes here to tap this supply and give MSB, come here small 1% risk because it is rejecting from supply here. Stop is here. Small 1% risk here for a breakout. If it did, it will go at least here and we can target these zones as well or maybe a mid range. So it's a good like good 13% 20% move, like good RR trade if we found it like something like this to tell here in a 6 7 hour trade it is. So that's why I was aiming for it because the RR ratio is good in this one. So AXS uh, there is another. Okay, Venri, it is not ready. When it will be ready, I will update it. Venri, yet let's Tia or Pia. Okay, Tia broke down here, making lower lows, holding this H1 demand till now. Not breaking out, not going like this. So it is accumulating here. It might do some kind of manipulation here below because these are necked wicks, so they take out these wicks and then reclaim and then go up. It will take time. Pith, look at these marking. Why I always said that wait for bullish structure, something like this to happen, then go for long. I mark this zone for someone to wait for here because lows are swept. So wait here for bullish structure to long. No bullish structure, no long. Look at this PA. Always wait for your confirmation. Matic, what is Matic doing? I don't know what I have did this here, what I have done here. Daily demand of Matic is interesting demand here daily. So I will leave this chart as it is. I will come back to it. This is my interest zone. This is my what we say, my POI, point of interest. Higher high is created. This is demand zone. You see here bullish structure forming in this demand. So I can take a long tail here. Matic is good one. So we wait for Matic. Okay, FTM. If you watched last video, you know that about these marking. This is a higher time frame range. We gave long here on FTM and target was range high, and this is SR level. This is supply zone and SR level here. So we waited to flip this zone, but it rejected hard. Now it might go for let I see that match 4 is choppy as hell. Structure shifted, so it might retest here some kind of and then go down. But I'm not interested in. I will wait for those lower zones. Might be this zone or might be this zone. This lower zone is matching with Ethereum as well. So FTM I will wait here. Woo! Woo is coming back to its support. These levels, one pump, second pump, might be a third bounce as well. Nothing fancy on Woo. Lose this, we are going to these levels. Simple. ING done render. I did it or not? Okay, render. Ah, yes, 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 yes. I remember. I did a small mistake here. I marked first H4 and then I uh, place bids here. My personal bids here. Stop was here, and it said 3878 was my bid. I remember 3878 was my bid here, and it missed by inch. Look at this fucking quick. It took H4 and then few of in Discord few people got filled on it because on other exchanges it hit but on Binance it didn't, and it goes to 3.5 hour here. This was a some kind of resistance here. I think 100 EMA resistance was here. So I told them to close here for 3.5 hour again. That's why it is marked here. So yes, look at this trend line building up here, slowly building ladder up. It will work like this. Go, 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 go. Ladder, 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 ladder. Structure break, retest. Where is the chart? Dump, fill below demands. Remember this. It will do like something like this. But for now, if there is H4, that H4 demand is working right now. H4 demand is working. It is getting good bounces. Internal low swept. H1 shift. This low swept out. Shift now shift yet. Structure didn't shift it. Monday low, Monday range is information. So yes, it will take time. If I mark this as a range here, this. So one more test is it might be if price goes like this here, ting 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 ting, and then it come down To test that is a long trigger here. Then it will go towards this range high. You have two confluences. What we say, H4 demand here, and three tap. It will be one tap. Second swept. The retest didn't happen, so it might retest here. Third tap. This will be second confluence, and fourth, third confluence will be your internal structure break. It will break somewhere here. It will close above. It will go up to mid range. Then it will come down. That will be your 2, 3, 4 triggers with clear invalidation here, and that is also high RR trade, by the way. If it played out, that will be a good high RR trade. Keep eye on render 6 hour. Keep eye on it. Keep eye on it. Render. Okay, GTO. What the fuck happened with GTO? Who hurted GTO, bros? It is shitcoin now. Delete. Any other coin right now? Let me check Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin is doing? On in supply, it is rejecting right now. So yes, Ethereum, my bids are placed here. So I will wait here. Other than that, nothing. I give you many. I look at 100 bonk, not working. Brats. Oh yeah, that was a fucking sniper trade I took. Nothing good there. What should I say and there other than that? On Bitcoin, I give you a detailed analysis, then giving you. Okay, let me check. Total three. What is total three doing? Okay, weekly, good weekly close. Very good close. Very good. Thank you very much for closing like this. A higher high created, come down slow. Okay, look at these candles. Look at these candles. They sold, buyer came in, bang, bang. They again sold, buyer came in. They are trying to sell, buyer are coming in. Slowly. That's why alts are not moving. So if we tested this level, that will be a good zone to long alts. This one. But I don't think so that will be tested. So it start flying here, alts will start fly. ETH will be good. And where is BTC dominance? Where it is? Here it is. Okay, looks sexy. Okay, it was here. So my plan was to close below, then retest here and then go down. Okay, I was weekly. Okay, highs taken out. This is previous high. Structure shifted, retest here, go down. Bitcoin dominance is going down. It means Bitcoin will be stagnant for few eternities. Okay, another thing. Total 3 USDT dominance. USDT dominance is doing fuckery here. Don't know why. Either go down or go up. Go down, break this zone, come here 3.9, came here to 3.9 and market will be at all-time high. And then, okay, lower time frame, I am expecting a PU3 here. Come here, reclaim and then go up. So let's see how this will act later on. But for now, it is not showing any strength at all. So that's why market is starting to slow down. Okay, so these are my thoughts on Bitcoin with few. I didn't check, by the way, the coins which people suggested. Phil, EDA, done, XRP, XMR. This is not good coin. PYR. Okay, PYR looks good. Let me check PYR for you, buddy. PY demand tab like Matic. So look how what why I mark Matic daily demand, because same BOS happened on Matic. Price is here right now. So I will wait here and then I will target this. Same, did two same. Okay, PYR held it beautifully this range high 3.7.3 zone, and it is mm, going. Let's see. PYR is like PYR took too much lengthy accumulation phase. So distribution will be like it might go up towards these levels 17, but before it has to flip this zone. Before going to those levels, flip this zone and then you can buy it. Until then, no party. PYR, but it is good coin. Good coin, good accumulation happened. A few year accumulated, people accumulated here. So they are not going to like give up here. They will break out here and then we can target up levels. So first target, what if I mark here for you is let me check the mid range. Okay, so this is the first target then 11. And if we broke out here, 11 is a good target. This is spot play. And then if we flipped here, then we can target range highs. Equal highs are here. So yes, PYR all time high 50. So basically PYR was a good investment. I took it on 2 and sell it on 5.9 or something. What kind of idiot I am, I don't know. But I had a good entry too. So let's see. It will give us a beautiful opportunities again. I am waiting for PYR. Which one is next one? Terrible is done and dusted. Sin meme no. There was hype in L2 coin because EIP 9 update, so I want to recommend top 2 coin like Matic, OP, ARB, AMX and FET, Render, AGX, Ocean. AGX and Ocean. Other than that, I done all. Let me check Ocean. What kind of Ocean? Okay, Ocean. Ocean is not giving me a good vibe, brother. My higher highs are in making not clear structure. Next was this one. Same, same. Both are same. Same fukre. Yes, Phil is going good by the way. People are making good money from it. Boom. Higher lows are creating. Let me check daily. These are the levels. And one level is this one. So let me check now. Okay. Phil flipped this important level here. The target is this one. Yes, good, very good. Flipped, retested, new high created. If it means that we have done it. So fill H2 demand here. This is proper whole demand zone, both. So one entry, if it given second entry here, stops. I will mark it as that the stop zone. You have to put stop loss here. One entry, second entry, and target one. Once target new high created here, put stop loss to break even, and then target slowly go up. It will slowly go up. Now, Phil is giving me a good vibe, by the way. Phil looks good. Structure wise, it is good. Uh, Level wise, it is good. It flipped important level there. So yes, in this H2 demand, you can take your entry. Let me remove this all and keep it a clear. Okay. This is your pill trade, guys. Okay. Come here down, and then go up. So yes, this is it from my side. You can watch out the charts which I marked it with yourself. Whatever I told you in the video, just focus on it and execute it. Inshallah, you will make good money out of these trades. So Phil, I am looking at it. Ending video here. Uh, Comment below if you like. You didn't subscribe, so subscribe it. Like the video. It'll give me a bit of motivation. Thank you for staying till end. Thank you so much, guys. See you in next video next week. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves.